Hello, viewers. Myself, Gopal Khetani from Authors Corner Show. Once again, warm welcome you all to my show. In this show, I am taking crisp interview with talented authors. Today, our guest is Mrs. Dhara Gadara from Surat. She is writing blogs, stories, and doing many more activities. So, warm welcome, ma'am. Uh, Viewers want to know about you.
First of all, I want to thank to Nexus Publication for providing me a platform and giving me an unique identity. And thanks also for Gopal Bhai for this interview. Myself, Dhara Manish Gadara from beautiful city Surat. I feel proud to be a housewife. I'm the finalist of the Wow Mrs. Gujarat World of Women Wings for Dreams. I'm trying to give words what I say, what I think, what I feel through blogs and stories. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Dharaji, you are writing blogs, right? And you are writing short stories also. So tell me your views about the writing blogs and writing short stories.
Well, to write stories, we have to follow some set of rules. There must be a strong plot, event, communication between characters, language, time, place, and focus of interest, focus of narration, focus of communication, and direct indirect speech. For example, if the writer wants to use direct speech, so writer can narrate, I will come tomorrow. And if he uses indirect speech, so can introduce a character. For example, he or she will come tomorrow. And the most important thing is that feeling moment. Feeling moment is that they lighten the all the story and clear the meaning of the story. That illuminates the story is the seed and the whole story. To write an article in blog means the blog goes to the whole world, and we cannot write anything because nobody has time to read anything. It must be qualitative writing,
Right, perfect.
because that attracts the reader's mind. And so we have some strong information about knowledge about the content and uh, personal productive opinion and data analysis of data. So that's all.
Okay, okay. Right, right. Perfect, perfect. In short, in blog, you need to present some kind of things which readers don't know. While in stories, you can do anything with your fiction kind of thoughts, right?
Ha. In blog we can write directly, but in story we have to follow some rules.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. It's interesting matter, interesting thoughts. Okay, so viewers, Nexus Publication has arranged fourth national story competition about Corona warriors last year. These stories are really inspirational. Nexus Publication has published the paper book of selected stories, and I am very happy to announce that Mrs. Zara's story has been selected in this book. So, congratulations, ma'am. So, my next question about this Corona warrior story. From your story, what's the main thing you want to convey to readers?
In my story, Corona Warrior is a little girl about 12 to 14 years old. I want to give message through my story is that if we want uh, means healthy society, we have to protect innocent childhood. When we goes in restaurant, and means it is common for all of us to see that type of children serving our plates and on footpath, selling toys and other things. We consider it normal, but it is not normal. It is not common.
Mhm.
So my message is that I want to give message that if we if we create an healthy society, we have to protect childhood and we have to stop child labor.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah, good thoughts. So I request you, all my viewers, all the good readers, that please go and buy this really good inspirational book. Details about how to buy this book is available on your screen as well as in the comment section of YouTube. Okay, so this is a very interesting talk today with Dharaji. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.